Hello and welcome to mathematics class. In our previous class, we learned about fractions. Today our topic is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on fractions. So let's start. First, the addition. Here I have two fractions, 5 by 8 and 4 by 6. You can see the fractions are unlike fractions. So to add or subtract unlike fractions, we first need to convert them into like fractions. So how shall we convert it? First step, we have to find the LCM of the denominators. That means here we have to find the LCM of 8 and 6. You all know the LCM of 8 and 6 is 24. First we are adding 5 by 8 with 4 by 6. So the LCM is 24. Next step, we all know if we multiply 8 by 3 we shall get 24. So we have to multiply the first fraction by 3 on the numerator with the numerator and with the denominator, and we shall get 15 by 24. Similarly, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator of the second fraction by 4 and shall get 16 by 24. Now 15 by 24 and 16 by 24 both are like fractions. So we have converted the unlike fractions into like fractions. In the next step, we shall write 24 as denominator and add the numerators 15 and 16, and the answer is 31 by 24. Converting it into mixed fraction, the answer is 7 upon 24. That's how we can add two unlike fractions. Now coming to subtraction. Here two unlike fractions are 15 upon 4 and 4 upon 9. So as usual, we first have to find the LCM of the denominators 4 and 9. The LCM of 4 and 9 is 36. So our next step is to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. So as usual, we multiplied both the numerator and denominator of the first fraction by 9 and the second fraction by 4. And then the unlike fractions are converted into like fractions. And the next step, here as both the denominators are 36, so we can take the denominator as 36 and subtract the numerators 135 minus 16, and the answer is 119 by 36. And converting it into mixed fraction, the answer is 3 into 11 by 36. So this was subtraction of unlike fractions. Let's take another example. Here we have to add two mixed fractions, 8 2 by 6 and 12 3 by 4. So first we have to convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. You all know how to convert a mixed fraction into improper fraction. We have to multiply the denominator with the integer, the integral part, and numerator will be added. So the answer is 50 by 6. Converting the second mixed fraction into improper fraction, we shall get 51 by 4. In the next step, we shall add the numbers. So first, to add, we have to find the LCM of 6 and 4. The LCM of 6 and 4 is 12. So now we can convert them into like fractions as usual, and it is very easy to add them in similar way, and the final answer is 21 into 1 upon 12. Now let's subtract two mixed fractions. Here you can see two mixed fractions, 285 into 6 by 13 minus 150 into 3 by 13. As here both the denominators are same, the denominators are 13, so we can subtract the integral part and the fractional part separately. So separating the integral part, we got 135, and subtracting the fractional part, the answer is 3 by 13. So the final answer is 135 into 3 by 13. Now the multiplication. Let's take an example. Kabir's mom has 3/4 liter of milk. She uses 2/5 of it to make tea. What quantity of milk did she use to make tea? So she has 3/4 liter of milk and she uses 2/5 of it. Of means multiplication, so we have to multiply. So the quantity of milk used to make tea is 2 by 5 into 3 by 4. So to multiply unlike fractions, we have to multiply their numerators together and their denominators separately together. Here you can see 2 is a common factor of both the numerator and the denominator. So we can cancel 2 like this, and the answer is 3 by 10. This is the multiplication process. Next, division. Here you can see 2 into 1 by 11 divided by 3 by 5. So our first step is to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. So converting it, we shall get 23 by 11 divided by 3 by 5. Our next step is to find the reciprocal of 3 by 5. So the reciprocal of 3 by 5 is 5 by 3. So in the next step we shall write 23 by 11 into 5 by 3, and the next, as usual, we shall multiply the numerators and the denominators, and the final answer is 3 into 16 by 33. Let us take another example, 4 by 3 divided by 9 by 5. So we have to find first the reciprocal of 9 by 5. We all know the reciprocal is 5 by 9. So next step is 4 by 3 into 5 by 9, that means 20 by 27. So that's how we can add, subtract, multiply or divide the fractions. That's all today.